Hello friends, welcome back to Civil3D Pro Tips and Tricks YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can design reverse curve. Here I have one alignment, and if I want to do reverse curve, I will draw one more fixed line where I want to do the reverse curve. So let's say up to this to tangent, and between these two, I have to set my reverse curve. So you can go from here. Let's beginning. Uh, Click your alignment, go to geometry editor. This tab, you can select the fourth option and go to choose free reverse curve or spiral. Click on that. Now it asking tangent before, then tangent after. Then you can enter various parameter of your curves. Radius 1, let's say 150, spiral length 25, 25 spiral out length. And then for another curve 250, let's say, and 15 and 15, and you can see that reverse curve appear. You can set out from where you want to start your reverse curve. So let's click here and you can see. You can always change the parameter once you draw it. So in case you want to change your radius or anything, you can do it from here. So you can change that reverse curve as well. So this is for one method of for the reverse curve. Let's say another method. So I'm deleting this. Again, let's start with the fixed line. Now in this method, I'm going to first start with the floating curve with the spiral. So I'll choose this option. It's asking me radius. Let's say 200 or sorry 200, and spiral inland. Let's say 150. Oh sorry, spiral length 25 is then 180, and select. And then you can go for the option floating reverse curve with spiral and click this. Click your curve. Now it's asking me spiral in length, let's say 25, radius 250, in spiral outline for this curve it's 25. Now it's asking me pass through point. So let's say here, done. And after that you can go option with floating line with the spiral. You can click this, select your outcome, spiral inline 25 and straight line 25. So that's your done reverse curve, spiral, curve, spiral, spiral, curve, spiral. So this is how you can design your reverse curve. These are the two methods. Thank you. Thank you for watching our videos. Hope this will be informative.